Mm. Can you hear it? That's the sound of power. Now, if you were to show me this, I would have said, that's not a Hot Wheels. But there's logos and everything. I do not know where I got this one. Never had a card. Yoink, flip it over. Volkswagen Beetle. 2016. But it is definitely a caricature of a Volkswagen, right? I love it. I love how it looks. I love how it rolls. Blown V8 back there. Still trying to keep the Baja Bug exhaust on there. That's hilarious. You can see the top pulley. I love it. Now this one has a special feature. I don't know where I got it. It's got a little blemish on top. But look at that epoxy right there. Either somebody tried to epoxy it, or I accidentally dropped a spot of epoxy on there. But it's too hard to get off. I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to leave it. Maybe I can, try and cut it off someday. But it's an oval window. Big tires. Look at that door. Look at that chop top. Just a beautiful caricature of a slammed Volkswagen Bug. Love these things. But it is a Hot Wheels. Back in the 80s, there were quite a few guys that managed to put a V8 in Volkswagen Bugs, but they put them up front, and it was all contained. No blowers, nothing showed, and the whole body lifted up like a funny car. And you could see the engine on the inside with the roll cage and everything else. But this is a fun one. I love the color. Should probably run this on a trek. See how it does. It's got a little bit of weight bias in the back. You can kind of feel it. But anyway, love these cars. Plastic bottom. Still looks like their Volkswagen stamp. You know what we should do? We should measure the wheelbase of one of my other ones, one of the stock ones, versus this.